Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final video in our cloud security series, Video 7 Best Practices, Regular Updates, and Patching, along with third party risk management. If you haven't watched the prior video, please click the link below in the description and please go back and watch the prior videos. Gather around to witness the power of cloud computing best practices that will revolutionize the business strategy. Regular updates and patching are the cornerstones of a robust defense strategy, ensuring your cloud infrastructure and applications stay fortified against emerging threats. Together, we'll pave a way to success in the ever evolving digital landscape. You can contact us now and unlock the true potential of securing the cloud computing platform. Your future awaits. Let's dive in. Number 7, regular updates and patching. The key steps involved in the process of regular updates and patching, basically the software management itself an art. It has a lot of steps involved, but people sometimes overlook these steps due to its nature of complexity. The key steps involved in the process of regular updates are follows here. Regular updates, it keeps your environment or the system up to date with the latest security patches, helps protect against known vulnerabilities and reduces the risk of unauthorized access or compromise. The first one in our list is vulnerability assessment. Perform regular vulnerability assessment exercise to identify potential security weakness in your cloud platform. This involves using automated tools, manual technique to scan for known vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, and outdated software versions available in your environment. Prioritize vulnerabilities based on severity, potential impact, and focus on the critical patch first. Patch management policy. Develop a patch management policy that outlines the procedure, responsibilities, and timelines for applying the patches in your environment. Patch identification and evaluation. Stay informed about the latest security patches released by each software vendors, operating system providers, and the cloud service providers. When you manage your environment, these are all the critical areas that you must be informed about it. Regularly monitor their security bulletins, notification, and release notes to identify relevant patches. Evaluate the patches based on their relevance to your cloud environment, impact your application, and compatibility with your existing systems. System testing and staging. Before applying patches directly into your production environment, I would recommend you first test them in a staging or a non production platform to ensure that they do not cause any compatibility or functionality issues. Create a replica of your production environment if you don't have a non production environment yet. Test the patch application into that environment to validate its functionality, performance, security before deploying the patches into the production platform. Patch deployment. Schedule patch deployments during maintenance window or non-peak hours to minimize disruption to your users and the services. Follow recommended practice procedures provided by the software vendors or cloud service providers to deploy patches effectively. Apply patches in a systematic and controlled manner. Monitoring and verification. Monitor the deployment of patches to ensure they are successfully applied to the target systems and applications. Verify its effectiveness. Monitor the system performance, application behavior, and security logs to identify if there are any issues. Patch compliance and auditing. Maintain a record of the patches applied to each system or application to track patch compliance and facilitate audits. Regularly review and validate patch compliance against your patch management policy and any relevant regulatory requirements. Ongoing patch management. Remember, patch management is an ongoing process that requires dedication, coordination, and monitoring. It is crucial to maintain an up to date inventory of your systems, applications, and dependencies to ensure timely patching. Additionally, automated patch management tools and vulnerability scanning solutions can help streamline and automate the patching process in your cloud infrastructure. The eighth in our list is a best practice, a third party risk assessment. The third party risk assessment is if your organization rely on any third party vendors or partners, ensure they meet the same security standards as your own organization is. Establish clear security requirements, conduct regular audits to access and assess their compliance. Third party risk management is a critical aspect of maintaining a secure cloud platform, and here are the steps involved in the third party risk management. Number one, identify and assess third party risk. It involves in your cloud environment, including cloud service providers, software vendors, infrastructure providers, and other software service providers. Evaluate the criticality and sensitivity of the services or systems provided by third party system or third party software vendors in terms of their potential impact on your cloud platform. And most importantly, your data. Assess the inherent risk involved or associated with each third party relationship, considering factors such as their security practices, data handling processes, and compliance with relevant regulations. Establish security requirements. Conduct due diligence. Perform due diligence on potential third party providers before engaging any contractual agreements. Assess the third party's financial stability, business continuity plans, and disaster recovery capabilities to ensure they can effectively support your cloud infrastructure and mitigate potential risk. Contractual agreements and SLAs. Establish a comprehensive contractual agreements. Include provisions that outline data protection requirements, incident response procedure, access controls. Define specific service level agreements, SLAs, related to security performance, availability, and incident response times. Ongoing monitoring and auditing. It is a key. We discuss about that in our logging process. Implement regular monitoring and auditing processes to ensure third party compliance with security requirements. Request and review security reports, certifications, and independent audits conducted by a third party. Engage in ongoing and collaboration with the third party to address any security concerns, incidents, or changes in the security posture. Incident response and notification, we discussed that in detail as well. Establish procedures and expectations for incident response and notification in the event of a security breach. Clearly defined responsibility and timelines for the security or incident reporting, investigation, containment, and resolution. Termination and transition. Plan for the termination of a third party relationship and transition of services to another provider or back to in house infrastructure if needed. Define procedures and expectations for the secure transfer and or deletion of data upon termination. Ensure that the termination process does not introduce additional security risk or vulnerabilities. Continuous improvement is the key regardless of the best practices. Regularly review and update your third party risk management processes. Stay informed about the emerging security threats and evolving best practices in third party risk management. Foster a culture of continuous improvement and collaboration with third party providers to enhance the security of your cloud computing environment. By establishing a clear security requirements, conducting regular audits, and actively managing third party risk, organizations can mitigate potential security vulnerabilities and ensure the ongoing protection of their cloud computing environment. Effective third party risk management is a crucial component of a comprehensive cloud security strategy. Conclusion. We are at the end of this data security series, which includes the fundamentals and best practices. Cloud security is a critical aspect of the modern day computing. By understanding the key security considerations and implementing best practices, organizations can protect your data and ensure the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of your cloud based resources. Thanks for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided you with valuable insights into the cloud security. Our video contents are packed with valuable insights and information that can transform the way you approach various topics. We discussed today about the data security. By hitting that like button, you show us your appreciation and support for the content we create. Subscribing to our channel ensures you never miss an update, keeping you at the forefront of the knowledge. But doesn't stop there. Sharing our videos with your friends extends the reach for our valuable contents and helps us to grow our community. So don't hesitate. Click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share our videos with your friends. Together, we can build a thriving community of knowledge seekers and make positive impact on the world. Thank you for all your support.